Hello everyone, I'm going to explain the redox potential and why it's important parameters that should be considered for wastewater treatment, for example. What is a redox potential? It's a measure of the system ability to donate or accept electrons. It reflects the overall oxidation reduction situation of a medium. In a dynamic system like anaerobic digesters, for example, a variety of redox reaction proceed at the same time. Depending on uh, composition of solution and the gas phase, the redox potential may be different. It can be calculated using Nernst equation, and high concentration of redox component results in lower value for redox potential, or uh, noted as ORP. High concentration of dissolved oxygen result in, of course, a high ORP. And this is important because high concentration of dissolved oxygen in wastewater can can be important factors that affect the situation, either it's aerobic or anaerobic system. And elimination of oxygen is generally proceed relatively fast due to the presence of facultative microorganism, or also aerophilic microorganisms. A high concentration also of sulfide, on the other hand, can result in low ORP. And this is important actually application because to remove sulfide from wastewater, oxygen can be can be injected to convert this sulfide to elementary sulfur compounds using Thiobacillus-like bacteria. And in this case, this is important because, as we found before, that sulfate is one of the factors that should be monitored also in wastewater treatment system. What is the relationship between ORB and different biochemical processes in wastewater? If you have uh, very low concentrations of dissolved oxygen, in this case, redox potential will be a negative side. And if it's actually varied from minus 400 to 100 to minus 150 microvolt, in this case, anaerobic conditions can be predominant there. And in this case also, processes like conversion of hydrogen carbon dioxide to methane or acetic acid can be converted to methane. If you have low concentration of dissolved oxygen, maybe redox potential about minus 300 millivolt. And in this case, also can be anaerobic conditions, but maybe also sulfate can be produced in this case. So if you have also redox potential of zero, this may be also facultative conditions where anaerobic and aerobic condition can be present at the same time. Medium concentration of dissolved oxygen, maybe you have redox potential of positive, in this case 200 millivolt, and in this case ammonium can be converted to nitrite under aerobic conditions. Or if you have very high, more than 1 milligram per liter, maybe also this, in this case, you have a redox potential of positive, maybe 250, and in this case, ammonium can be converted to nitrate under aerobic conditions. I hope this is actually useful for you, and see you next time.